Hi guys, Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today I thought I would show you a suburb near Perth instead of the country towns that I've been showing you in the past few weeks. And today I'm in Mount Pleasant. So Mount Pleasant is a suburb which is 10 k's from the city, and it's right on the freeway here, and obviously the river, you can see that in the background. So it's a really great location. There's a train station here on Canning Highway which takes you directly into the city, and also down to Mandurah on that railway line. So location wise it's really good. It's also 11 k's from Fremantle, so it's in a really fantastic position if you're wanting to live in Perth. The median house price in Mount Pleasant is 1.25 million, so it's not obviously in everyone's reach. But what I like to do when I'm teaching my students in my How to Renovate for Profit courses, how to identify a suburb that looks like it might be great for flipping in, is look at supply and demand in that suburb. So we compare the number of houses for sale to what has sold in the past year. And in Mount Pleasant, the number of houses that have sold in the past year is, let me see, it's 139 houses have sold in the past year, and currently for sale there's 50 houses. So based on John Lindeman's property analysis, that means that that's almost a 3-to-1 ratio of houses that are currently for sale to what has sold, and that indicates a really strong demand. So if you're lucky enough to actually have a house in Mount Pleasant and you wanted to renovate it, it would be a really good suburb to try and sell a renovated property in, based on the supply and demand figures. If you weren't quite up to spending 1.25 million on a house, units sell for around the 735. That's the median house price, the median unit price, 735,000. And once again, there's really strong demand for those. When I looked up my numbers on that, we've got numbers sold in the last year is 64, and the number currently for sale is 28. So there's really strong demand for units in Mount Pleasant as well. But another thing that we can look at when we're looking at suburbs is what are the neighbouring suburbs and what are they doing. So there's 4 suburbs that border Mount Pleasant, and there's Applecross. The median house price is 1.6 million in Applecross. Then we've got Burragoon and Ardross. Ardross is 995,000 and Burragoon's 820. So cheaper suburbs, still sort of in the same price bracket when you look up the interactive maps for those suburbs. But the 4th suburb that borders Mount Pleasant is Brentwood. So I just found this a little bit interesting, that Brentwood's median house price is actually 652,000. So when you're looking at that, neighbouring suburbs, obviously they've all got access to the same sort of infrastructure, which is the freeway. We've got Garden City Shopping Centre, which is a major shopping centre. We've got the beautiful river for leisure. We've got some really good private schools around. I'm not sure if you can see Aquinas College in the background there. Just can't see sort of in the distance on my phone at the moment, but there's some really good private schools around this area as well, Penrose College. And yeah, so just as you're starting to collect data to look at suburbs and figure out whether they're good suburbs for you to buy, potentially get some capital growth, be able to sell quickly, have good demand, all that kind of thing, these are some of the things for you to look at. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed seeing the beautiful wintry sunshine on our beautiful Swan River in Mount Pleasant. And if you've got any questions on research or anything else about suburbs that I'm bringing to you, make sure to say something in the comments and let us know, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.